Good morning students. In today's class we are going to see zeros of a cubic polynomial. Welcome to my channel Vinayaga Maths Class 10. So already we have seen with zeros of a quadratic polynomial, that is the equation of degree 2. And then the zeros of the linear polynomial also we have seen. So what is zeros? We have to equate the equation to 0 and then we have to find the roots for which values the equation becomes 0. First we have given the equation here. So it is a cubic polynomial. How we can say that? Because it is a degree 3. The equation it is in degree 3. Now we are going to equate p of x equal to 0. How we have to proceed? If a quadratic polynomial means when we multiply the given last two numbers and then when we add with the middle numbers, the factor should be equal. Now, it is a cubic polynomial. So, we are factorizing this minus 5 as 4 and minus 4, minus 14 as minus 18 plus 4. Now, we are going to combine the terms. In the first two terms, we are going to take 2x square common outside. If we take 2x square common outside, x is the term remaining. Then from this term x square we have taken out. So the remaining term 2 we have taken out. So 2 is remaining. Then we are moved on to these two terms. We are going to take minus 9x common outside. When we take minus 9x, x is remaining. And then minus we have taken outside. Minus into minus will change it as plus. So it is plus 2. Minus 9x into 2, when we multiply we should get it as minus 18x. Again we are going to take only 4 as common outside. When we take 4 common outside, it is the term remaining as x plus 2. Now from the given two terms, all the three terms contains x plus 2. So we have got the equation as 2x square minus 9x plus 4 as quadratic equation. I have already explained. 2 into 8 when we multiply we should get 2 into 4 we should get it as 8, and then when we add the number we should get it as minus 9. What all the two numbers we can take? It is minus 8x minus x. So when we add the given two numbers we are getting it as minus 9. When we multiply minus 8 into minus 1 which is equal to plus 8. This term we are not going to disturb. We are going to write it as it is into multiplication symbol which is equal to 0. From the given two term we are going to take 2x common outside. It is x minus 4. And then we are going to take minus 1 outside. It is again x minus 4. From the given two terms we have got x minus 4 as common. So combining the remaining terms 2x minus 1, x minus 4 and x plus 2 equal to 0. We are going to equate all the three terms to 0. 2x equal to 0, x minus 4 equal to 0 and then x plus 2 equal to 0. Now when we take the term here this side, 2x equal to 1, x equal to, it is in multiplication. When it moves to the other side, we will be getting it as x equal to 1 by 2. When it moves on to this side, it is x equal to 4. When it moves on to here, x equal to minus 2. For cubic polynomial, we have got 3 roots, 3 values of x after equating it to 0. We have factorized the given equation. Now we are going to find the sums of the zeros. How to find? So when we add 1 by 2 plus 4 and minus 2, LCM is 2. After multiplying it 4 it with 2 and then minus 2 it with 2 again. So what is the value we will be getting? 9 minus 4 which is equal to 5 by 2. So what will be the formula for sum of its zeros? It is minus coefficient of x squared by x cubed. Shall we check it now? Minus 5 divided by coefficient of x cube is 2. So which is equal to minus of minus 5 divided by 2. Whether we are getting it as 5 by 2s. So minus into minus is plus. So what will be the formula now? Sum of it 0 minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. Sum of it 0 taken 2 at a time. We are going to combine 2 to sum of its polynomial. So 1 by 2 into 4, 4 into minus 2, again minus 2 into 1 by 2. So when we multiply here, we will be getting it as 2. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. We have crossed out these 2's, it's minus 1. Minus 9 plus 2, the value is minus 7. So what will be the formula now? Which is equal to coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is minus 14. What is the coefficient of x cube? Which is 2. When we cancel it out, we are getting it as minus 7s. So, sum of its zeros taken 2 at a time is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. Then one more thing is remaining, it is product of its zeros. When we multiply, we can cancel out these 2's. So, it's minus 4. So, what will be the formula now? Minus of constant term. So, we are going to take minus 8 divided by coefficient of x cube, which is equal to 2. Whether I am getting it as minus 4s. I got the value as minus 4. So, sum of its zeros is minus coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x cube. Sum of its zeros taken 2 at a time is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. Product of its zeros is minus constant term divided by coefficient of x cube. I hope this class is very clear for you all. To find the zeros of the cubic polynomial, we have found out with the formulas. Similarly, I have uploaded all the puzzles, important sums, formulas with diagram explanation in my channel. Once you subscribe my channel, you can see all the content without missing it. You can share it with your friends. It will be very useful for you all. Thank you all. Once you click this Vinayagar icon, you can easily subscribe my channel. All the playlist I have uploaded, you can see the channel one by one. You can click on the notification symbol. Once I upload, you can see all the videos. Thank you all.